Hey guys, I'm about to show you guys something that we have here in St. Louis. It's wrapped up in this bag. And I'm finna enjoy it while laying in the bed watching TV. Along with my box of rice. This lovely thing right here is called a ham St. Paul. Now a St. Paul sandwich, I can't even tell you what's all in this mug. All I know is it's good. You got pickles on it, mayonnaise. I don't know if it's egg or what this is on here. I told him to give me some cheese. He gave me some melted cheese. I got onions and pickle on it. This is a ham St. Paul. You can get any kind you want. You can get shrimp, chicken, plain, whatever. But this is a delicacy we have here in St. Louis at our Chinese restaurant. And it is rather delicious. I had mine from a place called Northland Chop Suey. One of the best Chinese places here in St. Louis. And we got quite a few good Chinese places. But since I live around the corner from this one, I go there. They only cost like $2.50 a sandwich. It is so good. We have this other Chinese place called the Rice House. When they make your St. Paul, it's about this big. It was huge over there. But when I tell y'all missing out on all these other states who don't have St. Paul's in their Chinese restaurant, y'all better get on board. This stuff is delicious. Y'all better do a petition or something so y'all can get St. Paul's included in y'all menu in y'all local state, the local area. When I tell you this stuff is fire, it's fire. Delicious. Let's get all the thumbs up in the country. This stuff is so good. Now, I'm going to show you our fried rice. This is a half order of ham fried rice. This is how rice is supposed to look. Rice is supposed to be dark with eggs, looking good. You can put your red pepper on there. Soy sauce, I don't like soy sauce. This all I eat right here is sweet and sour sauce. Me and my kids, this all we eat. We don't do the soy sauce. It's too salty for us. And when I tell you this rice right here is that deal, this is the real deal McCoy. If your state and local area don't have a rice to look like this, I need you to send them to St. Louis to get some real pointers on what rice is supposed to look like and be like. Because I went some of y'all states and got some rice. Y'all had peas and corn and lettuce and all kind of stuff. I didn't know if I was eating a salad or if I was eating some rice. But when I tell you this right here, it's the real deal. Get on board. I'm telling you. Y'all don't know what y'all missing out. St. Louis got the best rice in the whole United States. It's not even no better. This is how you eat rice. Northland Chop Suey. Got it going on. Don't get no better than that. I'm telling you. Want some rice? This is some fried rice right here. This is some good fried rice. And this sandwich right here Let me see. Let me get you a good shot on this sandwich. I put sweet and sour sauce on this too. It's delicious. So I just want y'all to know how we doing it with our fried rice here in the STL. Get on board, baby. You better have our people show your people what fried rice in St. Paul's is really about. All right. I'm gonna go and finish eating up my food. I'll talk to y'all later. Delicious.